Help yourself to all the food and beer.
Guys, there's a whale out there.
They left us popsicles.
Thanks, wow, look at all this food he left us. At least he left us some good beer there.
Popsicles.
And popsicles. How'd you girls sleep last night?
Don't tell!
Well,
No,
I'm gonna tell them
you're
what
not.
you did to me, though.
No, that's
No.
what.
I didn't.
She was tired last night.
Dramamine. She was hopped up on Dramamine.
It wasn't my fault. Leave me alone.
I was a little bit seasick, not seasick, but a little bit
right now.
weird at first, but then I got used to it. If I go on a merry-go-round, I get real dizzy. So I'm surprised I don't get car sick or seasick.
These vlogs are making me more sick because I get nervous when I watch them.
I'll get nervous
Why?
when I watch the drone one. That's gonna make me nervous. To see, like,
I
that.
remember when it was so
Yeah, I got some really good
I
footage
felt so
yesterday.
cute. Oh my gosh.
If only we could watch that in the
What?
360 thing.
Not sure if I did a boat tour yet. He had it all nice and set up, but we've lived in it pretty heavily for the past 24 hours. This is bedroom number 1. This is the living room / bedroom number 2. There's the kitchen, complete with microwave and refrigerator, coffee machine, the bathroom with shower, and this is the master bedroom.
I don't know what. Did he say what to do with like the wet towels and
No?
they're not wet?
And here's the captain's deck. I think that's what you call it. A deck, a poop deck. This is the living space, the back porch. And there is our luxurious yacht. Goodbye, yacht. It was fun and scary and interesting all at the same time. Bye, yacht.
Really a yacht?
Huh?
That's not really.
That's a yacht, yeah. I think it's considered a yacht if there's like sleeping quarters and stuff in it. Definitely an interesting experience. For one day, yeah. I don't know if we could do more than a day or two on that. I think a trip out to the Catalina Islands would have been awesome, but that's way out of my budget. Here, Lou, say something about we're saying goodbye to yacht. Just do a closing statement. Hold it, grab it so I can load it back.
A closing statement about what?
The yacht.
Never stay on a boat.
Come on.
I liked
Bye.
it. It was fun.
Kylie, what do you think?
I liked
I
the
didn't.
boat.
Like, it was a nice boat, but is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh. It wasn't like that it was like a bad place to stay, but I get car sick and seasick really easily, so.
I'm not too sick.
What about you, Nina?
10 out of 10. Would do it again. That rhymes.
That rhymed. She's a poet, but she didn't know it.
There you go.
Bathroom. Why does this have to be a big house? No.
Right here.
Help me.
It's Tuesday. We're in Manhattan Beach and we're staying here for 2 nights. Wanted this leg of our vacation to be a little bit more relaxing, so I spent a little bit more and got a really nice condo in a pretty upscale part of Manhattan Beach. Well, as upscale as I can afford. Lou,
This
give us
is-
a tour of the house.
Wait. I need to tell you how ice pops were made. Once upon a time,
Not long
in
ago.
1905, there was a happy 11-year-old boy in
Me. It was
California
me.
named Frank. One night, Frank poured soda powder into water and mixed it with the stirring stick. He accidentally left the mixture outside all night in the cold. Whoops. Frank awoke the next morning to find his drink frozen, like an icicle. Wow. It was a hit with his friends, and a classic was born. Accident, miracle, popsicle.
Oh. Look at the chandelier.
Come on! It's really pretty.
Okay, come on, give me a tour of the house.
We have to walk into the doors.
Come on here, open the door for me.
It's hard to drag.
Close the door and pretend. Wait, let me knock.
Knob, you have to knob.
Oh, hello.
Walk in. So the first thing you see when you come in is this bathroom. Now we wait. Okay. So the first thing I like to do when I come to a hotel or house
This is an
is
AirBnB house.
find the holes. Because I feel like Harry Potter. I want to be Harry Potter. And I also found this one, but it's harder to hide in. So usually houses come with
A troll?
9. Usually houses come with this.
A nina?
Yeah, a Nina. And usually it's looking at this device.
Ah. Communicating with her peoples.
And over here, it's only gold. I'm not
Ooh,
going out.
leave it open. It feels nice out here.
Is a
Let me see,
view
let me
of
see.
some body of water. Who even knows? Who even knows?
That's the Pacific Ocean. It locked me out. I just finished taking a nap and I wanted to get some work done, but now I'm really hungry, so I think we're gonna go try and find something to eat. So, Izaka-ya, sushi. I think we're gonna do sushi.
On the bar area.
Are we gonna get takeout?
Let's take out.
We're gonna eat there. I don't know. Kylie was
I want to stay here.
okay. I think we're gonna go get some sushi. Let's skedaddle.
Let me get on your back, Mom, and show her how it's done.
Manhattan Beach is one of several little beach towns situated along or near LA. Charlie loves to go. Charlie's my brother-in-law, Casey's brother.
My uncle.
Charlie is
my uncle.
Charlie's
my uncle.
Casey's
He's
brother,
my uncle.
Kylie's uncle, Lou's
uncle.
uncle, my brother-in-law. He loves going
Nina's
surfing
uncle.
here.
Nina's uncle
I
too.
think he lives probably about how far is Charlie live from here?
Film Kylie for a second.
Why would you take your hair?
They don't live very far away from me. I think he lives about 15-20 minutes from me. I like these little beach towns along this. There's 3 of them. There's Manhattan, Hermosa, and Redondo. They're all right next to each other. They're all really got their own little personality.
Because he has one.
I guess Manhattan's a little bit more. You're not joking me. Manhattan's probably a little bit more upscale than the rest. But we'll probably make our way down to Hermosa and Redondo at some point in the next 2 days. Yes, I'm hungry. Alright, we are seated. It's extremely loud in here, so I don't know if you can even hear what I'm saying. Didn't take too long. What'd you get, hon?
I got the seafood soup and the California roll.
I got the Toro. Stupid lens. I got the Toro fatty tuna, $30. But I really want to try fatty tuna. This is the only place that I'm gonna try fatty tuna.
Can I try it?
It's raw.
Fatty
Yeah,
tuna.
you try it.
I want to try it. It's
Try it.
Can I try like
So Toro is fatty tuna, very expensive, and I probably wouldn't try it anywhere other than on the West Coast. What'd you guys get?
We both got chicken teriyaki with bread.
Chicken teriyaki.
We're sharing noodles.
Nina got chicken, and you're sharing noodles.
spicy tuna roll and
Spicy,
a seaweed salad.
spicy.
Spicy.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Is it good? What other place make better California rolls than California? Is it better than Kugo's?
Yeah, something about the rice is really good.
Yeah, that the rice is good. First bite on camera here. This is how you eat sashimi. Wow. That doesn't mean anything. It just means that I can save money on taxes.
So what's your
Okay,
name?
so
Abby, your name?
Izaka-ya, the Izaka-ya food review. I'm gonna give it an overall rating of 4.
Out of what?
4 to 5.
Out of 5.
Oh yeah.
Because it would have gotten a higher score. Because, but
4.5.
wait, what did I like? The Toro was really good. But the ramen wasn't as good as I thought it would be. But it was good. It's still good. 4.0.
4. I give a 5.
You give it 5?
So good. 4.
She really liked the seafood soup.
4.5.
4.5? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna bump it up to a 4.5 because it was actually pretty cheap. I mean, not cheap, but it wasn't as expensive as
Let me do mine.
You guys are gonna
Go ahead.
4 because the teriyaki chicken and the vegetables were really good, and the potatoes get a 10 out of 10. 5
What
out of
potatoes
5.
did you guys have? I didn't see any potatoes.
They were really good.
I
They
ate
were with our
one.
green beans.
Oh, Nina?
But then the noodles were not good. Well, I didn't.
Thumbs up.
I didn't like them.
I mean,
they were probably good, but I didn't like them. And neither did
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna say 4.5 because it actually was not that expensive. It was cheaper. That same meal, a comparable meal at Trattoria Fratelli, which is in Lebanon, would be like that would have been like 150 bucks for 5 of us at least. So that was a really good meal. I would definitely recommend eating at Izaka-ya, the Izaka-ya by Katsuya. Okay, now time for gelato. Do it. No, get a bigger chunk. No, come on. Get a bigger chunk.
Just hold your breath.
No, just... Yeah, it comes in your nose. It's like horseradish. It's exactly like horseradish. Gross. She's never had wasabi before.